Of course I am. We might have just gone to dinosaur land.
One midnight a long time ago in the land of dinosaur land.